What a gorgeous bob makeover! This is definitely a classic style, and it does feature the curtain bangs for a nice modern update. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more hair transformations. Now here we have someone going from blonde to black. Now she does this of course with a wig. I think she does a great job with the styling, matching it with her eyebrows. Such a cute way to mix things up. And then we see someone with beautiful curly textured hair. She's got some bangs going there in the front. And she decided to try out the Charlotte trend, that is the shaggy mullet haircut. This is a very modern and trendy style that we are seeing all over TikTok these days. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone who is thinking about cutting their hair into a bob. She gets a nice, simplistic, shoulder-length bob haircut. So moving on to our next transformation, she has hair just below her shoulders. And the stylist does a nice layered hairstyle. Another hot trend that we are seeing in 2023. Next up, we have this rose blonde transformation. So I also like to call this color rose gold. Oh, so pretty. Absolutely stunning. That color looks unreal. Next up, we have someone with shoulder length hair, some grown out color. it looks like the stylist is doing a nice pixie cut for this one. Simple and chic bangs going there. Very nice. Next up, we have another big chop transformation into a pixie style. Nice, fresh, and classic pixie. Loving the bangs going there in the front. Beautiful. And then we see someone with mid-length hair and some grown out color. Looks like she's getting some layers put in. Touch up of the color. Oh, looks like she's going darker. Oh, she got the money piece highlights with the blonde in the front. Beautiful dimension added. Gorgeous. And then of course she went darker in the back. Very nice. So we leave off today's video with that long to short bob transformation. Now she definitely cut off a lot of hair with this one, but I like the fact that he did do the curtain bangs with a nice modern update, really creating some shape and texture within this bob style. She looks absolutely gorgeous. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me and you were able to gain some hair inspiration. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.